just watched a 3-drop place went wild. Look at this crowd. All right, back to the action. Let's go Thunder!
Comic Ron. That's his name. A regular rock, smooth, gray, kinda shy, but today, he's treating himself. Golden fries, cheeseburger, large soda, the works. And yes, he eats it all.
All right, Ron. 1 turkey sub, extra jalapenos. Anything else? A lime soda? Coming right up.
All right, everybody keeps posting their beach fits, so here's Pebble. Yeah, rocking the bikini. Literally, look at those straps. Custom size. Googly eyes, serving attitude. Sunscreen? Nope, she's a rock. Tan lines? Also nope. Trendy though? Absolutely.